Namaste. Today we are going to learn Ushas Mudra. Usha, the meaning beginning of a day, the origin of all the good things. In Sanskrit, Ushas refers to as dawn and Mudras refers to as seal or gesture. This mudra is practiced during meditation, mostly when people are trying to bring forth new beginning and set intentions. Especially when we set the intentions at the beginning of the day, we tend to remain more structured, and throughout the day we can remain creative too. This Ushas Mudra helps us to awaken, also to remain little more awake up in the morning, bright and fresh. In case if you feel still very sleepy and you want to wake up but you don't feel like waking up, then you can try this simple technique. Place your clenched palms at the back of your head and now inhale vigorously and deeply and open your eyes and the mouth like this widely. And press the elbows back into the pillow. Hold the breath as for few seconds as long as you are comfortable. And depending on your comfort, then release very slowly, relaxing the face, the mouth and the hand. You can also repeat this 7 times. This will help you to wake up. It can help us to waking up also early in the morning, very early. Now let's understand the technique. Quite simple it is. Clasp your fingers with the right thumb above the left thumb like this and press the right thumb very gently slightly over the left thumb. In females, they have to do the other way around. They have to keep the left thumb above the right thumb and press the left thumb on the right thumb. Do this every day for about 5 to 15 minutes. With practice, the mudra will start showing its desired result. It will help us to remain awake and also set good intentions for the day. Now, what are the benefits of this mudra? No matter how old we are, there are times of change. New beginnings come repeatedly in life. This mudra gives pleasure, mental alertness and new impulses. In addition, it harmonizes our hormonal system. The Ushas Mudra concentrates the sexual energy of the second chakra and directs it into the energy centers above it. This mudra regulates also irregular menses. It stimulates the sacral chakra. This mudra also uplifts the energy level. Now, contraindications. There are no contraindications as such. You can practice this without having any kind of side effect. When to do and for how long? Early morning, especially when you are setting your intentions for the day, it can be a very good time to achieve this mudra, Ushas Mudra. It can also be done starting from 5 to 15 minutes, but it can be done at any point, any time of the day. And if you do it a little longer, that is also beneficial. Now, breathing. Let the breath flow freely, slowly, deeply and rhythmically. Let the breathing get into a rhythm that can allow the mind also to settle down. Visualization. In your imagination, see yourself sitting in a good place where you can enjoy the sunrise. The sun slowly rises and you let the color, the red, the orange and yellow have their effect on you for a long time. These colors awakens and improves our mood. Now imagine yourself as a person who is full of youthful strength and new impulses. As someone who enjoys life thoroughly, a person who goes out into the world with love and richly blesses it with a sincere smile, good deeds and beautiful things. Affirmations, very important. You have to say this in your mind often. I feel, or I am filled with pleasure and enthusiasm, which allows me to achieve great things. I enjoy life to its fullest. Let's come into the practice now. Keep your back straight. Allow the shoulders to relax. Let the chin remain parallel to the floor. Let the tip of the index finger and the thumb touch each other, and very gently close your eyes. We will be now entering into the practice of Ushas Mudra, the beginning. Let the beginning of the day always happen with this mudra so that it can set a right tone of mind, which can help us to achieve energy and continue with that same energy and enthusiasm throughout the day. Bring the palm gently closer to each other, interlocking, clasping the fingers. If you are male, let the right thumb be on the top of the left thumb. If you are female, let the left thumb be on the top of the right thumb. I am keeping my right thumb above the left thumb, placing it at the lap. The upper thumb, the right thumb, is pressing on the left thumb very gently if you are male. And in females, let the upper thumb, which is the left thumb, press the right thumb gently. Sustain this posture. Let the attention go towards the breath. Let the breath happen slowly and gently. Let the breath open up where the breath can become slow, long, deep and rhythmic. Feel the inhalation bringing new energy and feel the exhalation relaxing you further. Let the breath flow gently, slowly and rhythmically. Feel completely alert and full of energy. Let the breath flow. How when the sun rises, it's a beginning of the day. In the same way, let us now visualize this rising sun using one visualization technique. The rising sun brings hope and fills everyone with vigor, with energy, with enthusiasm. Like the sun, I face all my day, all the challenges of my life with complete enthusiasm and vigor. Now visualize as if you have waken up and it is a time where the sun is going to rise soon. You are coming out of the bed and you are now wearing your shoes and walking out of the house. Visualize you are moving to the direction where the sun is going to rise. You are walking, and as you are walking, there is a small hill. You are walking on that hill. You are completely aware of the soothing nature around you. Feel how The day is now beginning. Also, it is a new beginning for me. Every day is a new beginning for me to become better and better. I am slowly now on top of the hill, sitting there in any meditative posture and taking Ushas Mudra, clasping the fingers. I am holding and focusing on that point where the sun is about to rise. I can see the sky slowly brightening up. I can see the beginning of the sun coming up. How beautiful view is this? How this is an inspiration to me, because my life is also a new beginning every day, full of hope and full of all the things and all the possibilities which can happen. I am going to explore my life to its fullest, enjoying every moment, every moment. The sun is slowly coming up. The light of the sun, which is red, yellow and orange color, is falling over me. I can literally feel the touch of the light on the skin or on the parts of my body which are exposed. My face, my palm, my fingers and my thumb. I can feel that mild warmth of the sun rays over me. How the darkness has gone and the light has come. In the same way, all the things which I feel I cannot do doesn't bother me much. My complete attention is now, what can I do? The opportunities which I can achieve. I am a positive person and I bring light and life for me and people around me. I live every moment of my life with complete joy. I live every moment of my life with complete enthusiasm. I feel happy and I spread smile also on other people's life. I am happy. Doing my deeds in the right way without hurting anyone. Every day in the morning, this is the intent which I make. I live my life fully with complete enthusiasm, without hurting others, and spreading the joy and the smile on people's life. Let us continue sitting in this Ushas Mudra for a while in silence. Feel happy. full of life, bright, feel connected. Slowly join your palm and rub your palms. Let the energy that you had created go into you through the form of the palm, placed over the eyes. Slide the palm on the face. Release your hand and slowly open your eyes. Ushas Mudra. A new beginning, a new hope for life. Every moment is an opportunity. Enjoy it. Thank you. Namaste.